The Buick Riviera concept first debuted at the 2013 Shanghai Auto Show, intended as a bold design study rather than a production-ready vehicle. Its striking presence served as a statement of Buick's evolving design language and technological ambitions. While never slated for production, the concept influenced later design decisions at GM and helped rejuvenate interest in Buick's storied Riviera nameplate. Exterior design and styling. The video opens with sweeping footage of the Riviera's sculpted lines, its dramatic low-slung fastback roof, pillarless coupe profile, and flowing sweep spear character lines down the flanks. These cues are direct nods to Buick's classic design heritage, especially the venerable Riviera of the 1960s. Buick designers clearly prioritized elegant athleticism, as the body exhibits taut surfaces and sculptural shading. Ed Welburn, then VP of Global Design at GM, described the Riviera as a design study of the future expression of Buick design with its elegant athletic shape, sculptural beauty, and precision execution. Innovative touches like wing-shaped LED running lights, active grille shutters, and a metallic fiber rear spoiler point toward aerodynamic refinement and futuristic aesthetics. The video highlights the integration of Buick's traditional waterfall grille alongside these modern lighting accents, blending past and future styling themes. Propulsion and technology showcase. Although the video doesn't delve deeply into mechanical specifications, accompanying articles note the concept showcased a dual-mode plug-in hybrid powertrain with wireless charging capability. That system allowed the car to recharge wirelessly using a sensory recharge panel, as well as through a conventional plug input. Additionally, the concept featured a forward-looking driver assist package, night vision, side blind zone alerts, adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, and a holographic heads-up display blending multiple sensor inputs for advanced active safety. Interior design and materials. Although interior footage is somewhat limited in the video, still frames reveal a futuristic cabin trimmed in sandblasted aluminum, lava-colored suede, and ebony wood. Seating was minimalist and modern, floating front seats with adaptive noise-absorbing head restraints, and a massive central touchscreen previewing a future version of Buick's IntelliLink system. The overall ambience is that of an upscale, high-tech lounge, luxurious yet forward-leaning, emphasizing connectivity and passenger comfort within the show car ethos. Film presentation and narration. The YouTube presentation intersperses wide-angle shots of the exterior with slow-pan detail reveals, wheel spokes, lighting elements, charging panels, and the sleek coupe silhouette. The video voiceover emphasizes Riviera's role as a design laboratory for Buick's future. There's a clear juxtaposition of every classic Riviera reference: heritage, sophistication, and personal luxury, with modern cues like electrified propulsion and advanced safety features. The tone is hopeful. This is Buick looking toward 2020's design while honoring its legacy. Reception and community perspective. Discussion forums, such as an AACA Buick board, reflect fan enthusiasm. One user remarked this was one of the nicest looking Buick sedans in a long time, even suggesting that Riviera was a better name than the concept's official Wildcat title. Conversely, some car design observers remain skeptical that such a concept could translate to production. Similar commentary appears on Reddit, with users noting that Buick show cars typically showcase striking visuals but rarely result in consumer offerings. Influence and legacy. Despite not entering production, this Riviera concept fed into later designs like the Avista 2016 concept and informed Buick's evolving aesthetic language under GM's global design teams, including contributions by designers like James C. Shyr, long involved in defining Buick styling. Buick's Wildcat EV concept, 2022, and the revival of the Riviera name, seen in futuristic concept and production studies around 2025 to 26, all bear the conceptual DNA first shown in 2013, even if reinterpreted with electrification and market realities. Critique and analysis. Strengths. Bold, sculptural aesthetic that merges tradition and future design cues. Advanced tech integration, including wireless charging, heads-up safety systems, hybrid powertrain. Clear vision as a halo vehicle intended to symbolize Buick's brand renaissance. Weaknesses. Likely never intended for mass production. No commercial drivetrain or platform details. Some elements, such as gull-wing doors, hovering floating seats, remain purely conceptual and impractical in real-world contexts. Reflective of a broader pattern in Buick, strong show car concepts often not followed up with matching production models. Conclusion. The 2013 Buick Riviera concept video offers a visually rich and stylistically compelling presentation, a futuristic interpretation of Buick's heritage, power, and refinement. Though not built, it served as a design beacon, pointing toward hybrid systems, wireless charging, and new styling motifs that influenced future Buick models. The video captures both the idealism of concept design and the tempered reality that not all show cars transition to production, but their visual language often does. For enthusiasts, the presentation is both inspiring and bittersweet. It hints at what could have been, yet still shapes what may evolve. If you'd like a summary of the key takeaways, design themes, tech insights, and where the Riviera name has headed since, just let me know.